Best Chrome Hearts frames. In this video, I'll be going over the best Chrome Heart frames if you're into high-end eyewear. So to get started, Chrome Hearts glasses are known for their gothic designs, premium acetate, and sterling silver accents. The quality is also next level. You feel the weight and craftsmanship in every pair. Top picks include this Chrome Hearts Deep 2 rectangular sunglasses, which is priced $220. This Chrome Hearts Deep 2 rectangular sunglasses in blue, and then this Chrome Hearts 3 round glasses. If you want a more rimmed glasses, you can do this Chrome Hearts rimmed diamond sunglasses, black and gold. And of course, one of my favorite ones is this Chrome Hearts vintage round metal sunglasses in yellow, which is priced at $220 in discounted price. They're pricey, but if you care about fashion, durability, and branding, they're worth it. Each frame makes a bold statement, and that is my list of the best Chrome Hearts frames.